Okay, now, I don't know if you've noticed. So for tonight's homework, it's actually the same thing as last night. But have you noticed where it says equivalent fraction scale up down L2? All right, L2 means level two. Actually says it here. All right, L2 is level two. So these are slightly harder questions. Okay, not really. All right, so let's take a look. All right, now the reason why this is more difficult, it's only because they put three questions in one. So that's why I'm giving you guys less problems to do tonight, actually. All right, so let's see. All right, let's read. All right, write three fractions equivalent to 4, 6. Scale the numerator and denominator up for the first two and down for the third. Okay, so you see where this is going. Now, you can create your own scale. So if I were you, now, first of all, don't put one in there. You're not scaling anything. Okay, when you put one in there, it's going to remain the same. So, um, the speediest way to do is by two, right? And then three, and then you can scale down. Now look at 4 and 6. You can't really scale down by any number other than two because that's the GCF. You're reducing, right, when you're scaling down. Okay, so let's try that. All right, now scale it up by two. So 4, 6 now becomes what? If you scale the whole thing up by a factor of two. Yeah, 4 times 2 is 8, right? And then 6 times 2 is 12, like that. All right. For the second one, we're gonna scale it up by a factor of 3. So in other words, they let you choose the factor that you want to expand or contract the fraction. Okay, so to speak. So scale it by 3. So that's 3 times 4, that's 12, and that's 3 times 6, that's 18. All right. Now for this last one, I'm simply reducing really because it's only 4 over 6, not a big number. So we're going to reduce it. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, like that. Okay. So I'm going to submit the answer. Looks good. Okay. Let's just do one more. All right. Tomorrow I'll make it easier. I'll just go over one with you. All right. For this one, let's scale it up by 2. For the second one, it's a scale up, up, down. Okay, I'll scale it by 5. Okay, just to show you something different. Okay, we can scale that one down. Now that one, 7/14. There's only one number that goes into both of them. That's not one, right? It's the GCF, which is what? Yeah, 7. Okay, so when you're scaling down, sometimes your choices are limited. All right, let's see. Scale by 2, so that's 14/28. Scaling up by 5 is 35 over what is 5 times 14? That's 70, right? Yeah, right. Because 35/70 is 1/2. All right. And then for this last one, by 7, we're going to scale it down. We're going to reduce. So 7/7 is 1, 14/7 is 2. Just like that, okay? Nothing crazy. Let's see. Submit the answer. All right. Looks good. Okay. So this computer is pretty smart. The website, I mean. All right. So you can create things like that. All right. I think that was 2 questions. So let's see. Okay. All right. Let's stop it here. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
OMG, that was so good.